ओम नमो ब्रह्मादिभ्यो ब्रह्म विद्या संप्रदाय कर्तृभ्यो ऋषिभ्यो महद्भ्यो नमो गुरुभ्यः सर्वोपप्लवरहितः प्रज्ञानघन प्रत्यगर्थो ब्रह्मैवाहमस्मि नारायणं पद्मभुवं वसिष्ठं शक्तिं च तत्पुत्रपराशरं च व्यासं शुकं गौडपदं महान्तं गोविन्दयोगीन्द्रमथास्य शिष्यं श्रीशङ्कराचार्यमथास्य पद्मपादं च हस्तामलकं च शिष्यं तन्तोटकं वार्तिककारमन्यानस्मद्गुरून् सन्ततमानतोऽस्मि श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानामालयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादं शङ्करं लोकशङ्करं शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मीति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। यद्ब्रह्मगोचरविचित्रतमः प्रभावात् संसारधीजनितदुःखमभूज्जनस्य यद्ब्रह्मधीजनितसौख्यमभूच्च तस्य तं रुक्मिणी सहितकृष्णमहं नमामि। यमिह कारुणिकं शरणं गतोऽप्यरीसहोदरापमहत्पदं तमहमाशु हरिं परमाश्रये जनकजाङ्कमनन्तसुखाकृतिम्। So we looked at the Ekakara said in Bandhasya iti, Bandhasya cha iti. So what was said is तस्य श्रद्धा नियमादि सापेक्ष ज्ञाननाश्यत्वात् बन्धस्य च नान्यः पन्था इति श्रुत्या ज्ञानमात्रात् निवृत्ति प्रचीतेः. In the case of the Drishtanta given by the Purva Pakshi, where Setu Darshana takes away Satya Papa, similarly, in the Darshtantika, may the Shruti Balat, because of Shruti Bala, let the Satya Bandha also go. It was refuted, and the Ratnaprabhakara said, Tasya, in the case of the example, Shraddha Niyamadi Sapeksha Jnana Nashyatvat. It is not only Jnana Nashya. Setu Darshana is a Jnana, all right, but the Papa does not go away only by Jnana. There, Shraddha and other Niyamas we saw in the last Patha, they need to be followed. So there is a karma involved. And Bandhasya cha, whereas Bandha, which is Darshtantika, Nanyah Pantha iti Shrutya Jnanamatrat Nivritti Pratitehe. There is knowledge, pratiti, understanding of Bandha going away by Jnanamatra. Nivritti of Bandha only by Jnana due to the Shruti Nanyah Pantha ityadi. Nanyah Pantha Vidyate Ananaya says even Purusha Sukta also has this. Nanyah Pantha, there is no other path for mukti, only jnana. Tika, Shrautam. So there what was said, iti shrutya jnana matrat nivritti pratite, and then Ratnaprabhakara said, ataha shruta jnana nivartyatva nirvahartam adhyasattvam varnaniyam. Thereby, adhyasattva should be accepted and adhyasa should be talked about. It should be discussed as to what is this adhyasa, and therefore adhyasa bhashya shrutam yad jnanam. From shruti what jnana you are getting, what jnana is revealed by the shruti, aikya jnanam, tena nivartyatvam, tena nivartyam, nivartyaha bandha, tasya nivartyatvam asti. And to accomplish that, nirvahartam, to accomplish that, adhyastatvam varnaniyam. Tika, shrautam tatha vidwan ityadi shrutya प्रतिपादितं यज् ज्ञान निवर्त्यत्वं ज्ञानजन्य बंध निवृत्ति रूपं तन्निर्वाहार्थं तस्मिन् श्रुत्यर्थे योग्यता निश्चयार्थम इत्यर्थः. So what is the final meaning there of Shruta Jnana Nivartyatva Nirvaharartham? adhyasthatvam varnaniyam. Final meaning is that योग्यता निश्चयार्थम श्रुत्यर्थे तस्मिन् श्रुत्यर्थे योग्यता निश्चयार्थम there is yogyata in the shruti to reveal the jnana that brings about nivritti of bandha. Jnana matra, that too. So the earlier also there was a vidwan vimuktaha, namarupad vimuktaha, vidwan namarupad vimuktaha, that was given in the earlier see tatha vidwan namarupat vimuktaha was quoted by the Purva Pakshi in Ratnaprabha. And then Tikakara says that also Shruti you can take into account. Jnanamatra nivritti is being mentioned. Namarupat vimuktaha jnanena eva, but bandha is not satya there. Namarupatmaka bandha is not satya. Nanyaf Pantha also tells you the same thing, that adhyastatvam has to be accepted. So it is jnana nivartyatvam. Pratipaditam jnana nivartyatvam. Yat, what is that? Jnana janya bandha nivritti rupam. So jnana nivartyatvam means jnana janya bandha nivritti rupam. Tan nirvahartam, to accomplish that, to sampannartham तस्मिन् श्रुत्यर्थे योग्यता निश्चयार्थम इत्यर्थः. ज्ञानैक निवृत्त्यस्य बन्धस्य सामान्यतः सत्यत्वं दूषितम्. So generally, briefly, it was discounted as to satyatvam of bandha is not acceptable. It is refuted by giving this tarka also and shruti as pramana as nanyaf pantha. Now there are divisions made as to what is the satyatvam that you intend it to be. Generally, it cannot be satya. Now, if you have particular lakshanas, says the Siddhanti to the Purva Pakshi, if you have particular lakshanas, then let's analyze those and see whether satyatvam is there in bandha. So, what kind of satyatvam is there in bandha? You tell me. Thereby, 4 options are created by the Siddhantin. What do you mean by satyatvam of bandha? What kind of satyatvam is there in bandha? Thereby, idanim vikalpya, satyatvam vikalpya, what kind of satyatvam do you intend to say is there in bandha? Doshayati kinchayati. And thereby, all the 4 possibilities are going to be refuted now. Kincha, in the Ratnaprabha, kincha, jnanaika nivartyasya kinnama satyatvam. This jnanaika nivartyatva is acceptable to the Purva Pakshi, but he says Shruti balat satyabandhasya nivrittihi astu. Okay, then what is that satyatvam in bandha? The first option, I'll just give you the 4 options first. What are the 4 options? Ajnana ajanyatvam satyatvam. Ajnana ajanyatvam satyatvam. What does that mean? The Rajju Sarpa is Ajnana Janya. If Rajju Sarpa is Ajnana Janya, what will it go by? It will go by Rajju Jnana. Therefore, it is not Satya. Thereby, Lakshana of Satyatvam is what? It is Ajnana Ajanyatvam. Ajnana Janyatvam is not Satya, thereby Ajnana Ajanyatvam is accepted to be Satya. Is this what you are saying? This is one option. Second option is this Rajju Sarpa. Rajju Sarpa is Adhyastha, as opposed to is what is Satya. Now you look at it, Rajju Sarpa. When you analyze Rajju Sarpa, Sarpa Adhisthana is Rajju. So Swadhisthane Swabhava Shunyatvam. Swasya Abhava Shunyatvam Satyatvam. This is the second Lakshana. So Swadhisthane, by Swa you take the Bandha, but in the example case you take Rajju Sarpa. So Sarpa is Swa. Swapadena Sarpa Grahya. That Sarpa Adhisthana is what? Rajju. So Swadhisthane Swa, again, Sarpa Abhava Shunyatvam. Sarpa Abhava is there. If it is there, what will happen? It is sarpa abhava. In Rajju is there sarpa? No, sarpa abhava is there. In Rajju, sarpa abhava is there. Therefore, what is sarpa? The status of sarpa is it is adhyastha. It is mithya. When will it become satya? If it is not having, meaning its adhisthana is not having its abhava, meaning abhava shunyatvam it has. So swadhisthane swabhava shunyatvam satyatvam. This is the second option. Third option is brahmavad badha ayogyatvam satyatvam. So brahmavad brahma is brahma badha yogya. It cannot be negated at all. That is brahma. Brahma is sad brahma, can never have badha. So badha ayogyatvam is there in brahma. So brahmavad badha ayogyatvam is there in bandha. Is that your claim? If so, then that is the lakshana brahmavad badha ayogyatvam satyatvam. That is the third option. Then fourth option is vyavahara kale badha shunyatvam. Vyavahara kala means before brahmajnana, vyavahara kala, in the vyavahara kala, badha shunyatvam satyatvam. Meaning, घटपटादि प्रपंच बंध और अहंकार आदि बंध cannot be shunya. When cannot be? Shunya in the sense it cannot be negated. Badha shunyatva means there is no possibility of badha of ahankaradi prapancha in vyavahara kala as long as brahmajnana is not born. That is the idea. Is that your lakshana of satyatvam? These are the four options. Now individually these are going to be refuted. So kincha jnanaika nivartyasya kinnama satyatvam. What is the satyatvam? First option is na tavad ajnana ajanyatvam. So if the purva pakshi says no, it is ajnana ajanya. This bandha is ajnana ajanya. Therefore it is satya. Then that cannot be. Why so? So there the Ratnaprabhakara says mayam tu prakritim vidyad mainam tu maheshwaram. So there is a Shruti, Shvetashvetara mantra says Maya is prakriti. Prakriti means what? Sankhya calls it as pradhana. What is it? It is karana. It is upadana karana. So mayam tu prakritim. Maya is prakriti and Maya is what? Avidya. So prakriti, Maya, avidya, ajnana is karana. For what? For the prapancha. So bandha, ahankaradi, namarupatmaka bandha, prapancha is what? Ajnana janya, Maya janya, therefore ajnana janya, not ajnana ajanya. Therefore satyatvam of that type is refuted. Iti Shruti Virodhat Maya Vidyayor Aikyat. Shruti Virodhat. If the Purvakshi says, okay, Shruti says Maya is Karana, but not Ajnana. Ajnana or Avidya is not Karana. Maya is Karana, I also accept. There, Ratnaprabhakara says Maya Vidyayoho Aikyat. Maya and Vidya are interchangeable. They are Paryayavachi Shabdas. You cannot say Maya is Jagat Karana, Ahankaradi, Bandha Karana, but Avidya isn't because it is just another term for Ajnana or Avidya is just another term for Maya. Tika, Prakriti Miti. So he deals with the word Maya a little later, but initially he deals with this word is Prakriti because Mayam to Prakritim Vidya is an answer to Ajnana Ajanyatvam, Satyatvam. So Tikakara says Prakriti means Karana. Prakriti Jagad Upadanam ityartha. Jagad Upadana Karanam ityartha. Prakriti means Maya is Jagad Upadana Karana. Shrutya Bandhasya Maya Janyatvam uchyate. Na Ajnana Janyatvam. So Purva Pakshi says, oh, Maya Janyatvam is mentioned by that Shvetashvetara mantra, not Ajnana Janyatvam. Ataha na Ajnana Janyatve Shruti Virodaha. So if I claim that Bandha is not Ajnana Janya, then and therefore Satya, there is no Shruti Virodha. There the टीकाकार से सिद्धांति रिप्लाइज श्रुति विरोधः नास्ति इफ यू से इति आशंक्य अज्ञानम अविद्या माया च इति पर्यायः. So whether you say it is maya, avidya or ajnana, all three mean the same, they are synonyms. इति अज्ञानजन्यत्व प्रतिपादक श्रुति विरोधः दुर्वारः इति परिहरति मायेति. So इति अज्ञानजन्यत्व प्रतिपादक श्रुति विरोधः, there will definitely be virodha if you keep on insisting that bandha is not ajnanajanya, it is mayajanya. Maya and ajnana mean the same thing, therefore shruti virodha cannot be ignored. You cannot say shruti virodha isn't there, you have to accept it. Durvara, you cannot say that it isn't there. Na dvitiya itya. So second option is napi swadhisthane swabhava shunyatvam. Swabhava shunyatvam, not swabhava, sorry, swabhava. So we are used to swabhava, at least I am used to saying swabhava. So it is not swabhava, it is swabhava, swasya bhava. So na swabhava is swasya bhava, swabhava is swasya abhava. So napi swadhisthane swabhava shunyatvam. The Tikakara explains that second claim of satyatvam. What is the second possibility? Lakshana of satyatvam. Swa shabdena bandha grahya. Swa means bandha. In the darshtantika, in the drishtanta it is in the rajju sarpa, sarpa, or in shukti rajata, rajata. Swa shabdena bandha grahya. Bandhadishthanam. What is bandhadishthanam? Swa shabdena bandhadisthana. Bandha adhisthana is Brahma. Therefore, bandhadhisthane Brahmani. Swadhisthane bandhadhisthane Brahmani. Bandha abhavena shunyatvam. Bandha abhavena shunyatvam avrittitvam ityartha. In its own adhisthana, if it isn't there and appears to be there, then it is mithya. It is adhyastha. So in the bandha adhisthana Brahma, bandha adhisthana Brahma, in that Brahma bandha abhava, if it is there, bandha abhava is there, then bandha would become adhyastha. But the Purva Pakshi is claiming swabhava shunyatvam, meaning bandha abhava shunyatvam, bandha abhavena shunyatvam. So bandha abhava isn't there, meaning bandha is there. Only if bandha is seen in that adhisthana where it isn't there, meaning bandha abhava is there, then only you can call it as mithya, then only you can call it as adhyastha. But the Purva Pakshi's claim is bandha is there and bandha abhava is never there in that adhisthana. Bandha abhava shunyatvam is there. Meaning avrittitvam. There is bandha abhava's avrittitvam. Bandha abhava isn't there. Therefore, bandha is there, and bandha is not along with a possibility of bandha abhava. It is always in any kala. So, bandha is satya. This is the claim. Bandha swabhavena saha brahmani vrittiman bhavati iti bhavaha. However, napi, by napi, what is being said? It is refuted. What does it mean? Bandha swabhavena saha brahmani vrittiman bhavati is definitely there. Bandha bhava is also there in bandha, in Brahma where bandha is seen. So bandha adhisthana has bandha abhava also. Vrittitvam is there, not avrittitvam. This is the counter by the Siddhanti. How so? So in the Ratnaprabha you see napi swadhisthane swabhava shunyatvam. Kutaha, what is the hetu? Astulam ityadi nisheda shruti virodhat. Otherwise, if you say that swabhava, swadhisthane swabhava shunyatvam satyatvam, and therefore bandhadhisthane brahmani, brahmabhava shunya, bandhabhava shunyatvam satyatvam. If you say swadhisthane bandhadhisthane brahmani, swabhava shunyatvam bandhabhava shunyatvam satyatvam, then Shruti Virodha will take place. What is the Shruti saying? Astulam ityadi. Brahma is astula, whereas bandha is what? Stula prapancha. So this stula prapancha being in Brahma will mean what? Stulam Brahma. Brahma has stula. Stula asya asti. So stulatvam will be there in Brahma, or stula prapancha will be there in Brahma. So stula, you take stula by arshadi arshadibhyo ach. If you take that pratyaya in the sense of matupartha. So bandha asya asmin asti iti. Bandha asmin asti, you can take bandha asmin asti. What is that bandha? Stula. So stulam अस्मिन् अस्ति, अस्मिन् ब्रह्मणि अस्ति इति अस्तूलं ब्रह्म. If you say stoolam अस्मिन् ब्रह्मणि अस्ति अतः stoolam brahma, not astulam, sorry, stoolam brahma, then that will counter astulam, because what is your claim? Bandha अस्मिन् ब्रह्मणि अस्ति, स्वादिष्ठाने बंधादिष्ठाने bandha abhava shunyatva means bandha abhava isn't there, meaning bandha alone is there, bandha is not along with bandha abhava. In the case of sarpa, what is there? Sarpa pratiti is there. Where is this sarpa? In rajju, in its adhisthana. The person who is seeing sarpa does not know that adhisthana is rajju, but when you analyze, when he comes to know that there is no sarpa, then where was the sarpa? If we inquire, then that sarpa was seen in its adhisthana rajju. Therefore sarpa was there in rajju, and during that time was there sarpa in the rajju? No, sarpa abhava was there. Sarpa abhava shunyatvam wasn't there. So wherever sarpa was seen in that adhisthana, sarpa isn't there really. What is there? Sarpa abhava is there. Therefore it is mithya, it is adhyastha. But in the case of bandha, what is the claim? Bandha abhava isn't there in bandha adhisthana. If in bandha adhisthana bandha abhava were to be there, then it would be mithya, it would be adhyastha. But bandha abhava shunyatvam is there, meaning bandha is there. In simple words, bandha is there, meaning what has been said, bandha abhava shunyatvam. That is, bandha is there. How can you say that it is asat, it is mithya, it is adhyasa? This is the claim. But Shruti says astulam, Brahma is astula, Brahmatma is said to be astula, it is its swarupa. And stula, bandha is stula, bandha is this prapancha, which is also stula. Now this stula, astula means what? Stulam nasti yasmin, iti astulam. Nanjbahuri. Now if you say, or you can say na stulam also, both ways. Na stulam, nanj satpurusha also you can take na stulam iti astulam brahma. And you can also take stulam nasti or stulani, whatever. Nasanti yasmin tad brahma astulam brahma. Jato ekvachana also. Now by dharma you can say astulam also as stulam nasti yasmin. Now you are claiming stula bandha. Bandha is stula. That stula is there in Brahma. Therefore, by arshadibhyo pratyaya you can take stula, stulam asti, asmin iti stulam Brahma. You are claiming stulam Brahma because bandha abhava shunyatvam is there in Brahma, meaning stula abhava shunyatvam is there, meaning stula abhava isn't there, meaning stula is there. So stula being there in Brahma, Brahma will become stula Brahma, not astula Brahma. Therefore virodha ityadi nisheda shruti virodha. Shruti is doing nisheda of stula, whereas you are insisting stula bandha is there. Therefore shruti virodha being there, it is this second lakshana of satyatvam is also refuted. Tika bandha swabhavena sa brahmani vrittiman bhavati iti bhavaho. So anena swadhisthana vrityabhava apratiyogitvam satyatvam iti lakshanam uktam bhavati. What is the lakshana here now? What is the nishkrishta lakshana of Purva Pakshi when he says swadhisthane swabhava shunyatvam satyatvam? Tikakara says iti lakshanam uktam bhavati. This is what he means. in by saying swadhisthane swabhava shunyatvam, what does the Purva Pakshi mean? Anena lakshanena. In given in Ratnaprabha, swadhisthana vrityabhava apratiyogitvam satyatvam. So bandha has apratiyogitvam. Bandha is not a pratiyogi to what? Swadhisthana vrityabhava. Not bandha. So satyatvam, that is satyatvam. Satyatvam is in bandha. So bandha has satyatvam, which is what? Bandha is not a pratiyogi of abhava, of swadhisthana vrityabhava. Swadhisthana brahma. Swadhisthana, swa is bandha. So swadhisthana is bandhadhisthana. Bandhadhisthana is brahma. So brahmani vrittiman yaha abhava tasya abhava atyanta abhava tasya abhavasya प्रतियोगी ब्रह्म बंध न भवति. सो अप्रतियोगी भवति. सो प्रतियोगित्वम isn't there in bandha. Bandha has apratiyogitvam. What kind of apratiyogitvam? Apratiyogitvam to the abhava. Which abhava? That abhava which is in the swadhisthana brahma. So in that abhava which is there in the swadhisthana brahma. So swadhisthana brahmani वृत्ति. वृत्ति इज वर्तमान. वर्तमानः यः अभावः अत्यन्ताभावः तस्य अभावस्य अप्रतियोगित्वम्. दिस इज द लक्षण. दैट इज सत्यत्वम् इति लक्षणम् उक्तं भवति. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग? तस्य अर्थः, द मीनिंग ऑफ दैट लक्षण इज व्हाट? तस्य अर्थः बन्धाधिष्ठान वृत्तिः यः अभावः. व्हाट इज दैट अभाव व्हिच इज देयर इन बन्धाधिष्ठान ब्रह्म? पूर्व पक्षी सेज there is abhava, all right. What abhava is there? Natu bandhabhava. Bandhabhava isn't there in Brahma, kintu anya abhava. Ghatapatadi abhava is not, is, if he says Ghatapatadi abhava, we'll say Ghatapatadi is Brahma. So he says anya kaschil abhava. Not bandhabhava. Bandha is definitely there in Brahma, which is Satya. How so? Because abhava isn't there. सो यह अभाव न तो बंधाभाव किंतु अन्याभाव तत्प्रतियोगित्वं बंधे अस्ति. सो तत्प्रतियोगित्वं अभाव अप्रतियोगित्वं इज देयर. बट व्हाट इज द रिप्लाई ऑफ द सिद्धांति? किंतु अन्याभाव. सो इफ इज अन्याभाव, दैट अन्याभाव मीन्स व्हाट? बंधाभाव. बंध अन्याभाव. बंध अतिरिक्तयाभाव. बंधाभाव अतिरिक्ताभाव. बंधाभाव अतिरिक्ताभाव. So anya abhava is there. Tat pratiyogitvam bandhe asti. So in bandha there can be any other abhava. There can be any other abhava, but not in bandha. There is no this brahmani abhava tasya pratiyogitvam nasti. So pratiyogitvam in bandha is not the abhava pratiyogitvam of that abhava which is there in Brahma. It is some other abhava. So the earlier definition, when it was expanded, it was said that whatever abhava is there in Brahma, the bandha is apratiyogi to it. So now the Tikakara analyzes what is the meaning. When you say bandha is apratiyogi to the abhava which is there in Brahma, swadhisthana, bandhadhisthana, then what does it mean? It means that then let's look at what is the pratiyogitvam in bandha. Abhava pratiyogitvam, is it there? Some kind of abhava pratiyogitvam, let's accept it is there in bandha. There, the Tikakara is explaining what the Purva Pakshi means by this Nishkrishta Lakshana also. He means to say is that there can be pratiyogitvam, abhava pratiyogitvam in bandha, but that is not which abhava pratiyogitvam? Bandha abhava anya abhava pratiyogitvam is there. बंधे अस्ति इति उक्तं भवति. यदि ब्रह्मणि जगद्रूप बंधः तदा तेन स्थूलत्वं धर्मत्वं च स्यात्. What would happen? Nirguna Brahma it wouldn't be if you say there is some bandha in any kind of bandha. So if you say bandha bhava shunyatvam means there is some dharma in Brahma. Yadi brahmani jagadrupa bandha. Bandha is jagadrupa bandha. If the Purva Pakshi were to say in Brahma there is bandha which is satya because it is not having bandha abhava shun, it has bandha swabhava shunyatvam swadhisthani, it has swabhava bandha abhava shunyatvam, then tada tena sthulatvam dharmatvam cha syat, that sthulatvam and that dharmatvam will come and sit in Brahma. So here sthulatvam it is there, Brahma will become stula. So there it is not arshadibhyach. There what is it? Astulam is taken as na stulam iti astulam Brahma. And if you say bandhavan Brahma, then dharmavan Brahma. Which dharmavan? Stulatva dharmavan Brahma. Therefore stula Brahma. So stulatvam dharmatvam cha syat. If you have dharmatvam, then it is not nirdharmaka Brahma, it is not nirguna Brahma. तथा च निर्धर्मिकत्व अस्तूलत्वादि प्रतिपादिक अस्तूलम इत्यादि श्रुति विरोधः. So astulam, that mantra tells you stulatva dharma isn't there in Brahma, and it is an upalakshana. So stulatwadi gunas aren't there, dharmas aren't there in Brahma. Therefore there is a virodha, shruti virodha by the claim made by the पूर्व पक्षी. किंच यदि ब्रह्मणि बंधाभाव नास्ति, बंधाभाव शून्यत्वम अस्ति means in Brahma there is bandhabhava isn't there. In Brahma bandhabhava isn't there. That's what is meant by bandhabhava shunyatvam. So यदि ब्रह्मणि बंधाभाव नास्ति तदा अस्तूलम इत्यादि श्रुतेः बंधाभाव प्रतिपादने अपि तात्पर्यात् विरोधः इत्याह. When the Shruti says astulam Brahma by giving the swarupa lakshana of Brahma as astulam Brahma, then what is the tatparya there? Bandhabhava pratipadane api tatparyat. There is tatparya to show bandhabhava is also there in Brahma. So you cannot say bandhabhava shunyatvam. That is the virodha. Therefore, bandhabhava pratipadane api tatparyat of that astulam shruti virodha ityaha astulam ityadi iti. We have seen this in the Mula Tika. Again further tritiya virodhamaha. If you give a third lakshana now for satyatvam of bandha, what is that? Napi brahmoditi. Ratnaprabha, napi brahmod badha ayogyatvam satyatvam. Bandhasya satyatvam kim? He says brahmod badha ayogyatvam. It is unfit to be negated like Brahma. It cannot be negated. Like Brahma cannot be negated. Similarly, bandha cannot be negated. It won't be sublated. It has ayogyatvam of badha. Badasya ayogyatvam brahmavad bandhe api asti. This is his claim now. That is satyatvam. Napi tatha. So it is not so. Says the Siddhanti. Why so? Hetu is jnanat nivritti shruti virodhat. Jnanat jnanamatra. Jnanamatrat bandha nivritti, says the shruti. Nanyah pantha. Same shruti virodha will take place, which was shown as general refutation of satyatva. Now specifically if you say that jnanat nivritti shruti virodha will take place, tika. So there is nothing to, this has already been shown. So in the general virodha, general satyatva refutation, this virodha of shruti was shown by nanyah pantha ityadi. Then the fourth option, tika, charame pakshe tu manmata pravishtosi tyaha atheti. In the fourth paksha, you are in the fourth option of satyatvam. We agree with that lakshana. You have taken my lakshana itself. So you have shifted your position into my position. You have become a Vedantin now, says the Siddhanti. Because what is the fourth lakshana of satyatvam that Purva Pakshi gives? Atha vyavahara kale bada shunyatvam satyatvam. Bandhasya satyatvam kim? Vyavahara kale bada shunyatvam. Siddhanti says, I agree. Tarihi, what is this vyavaharika satyatvam? That itself is adhyastatvam. So tarihi vyavaharikam eva satyatvam iti agatam adhyastatvam. If you say that, then agatam adhyastatvam agatam. Vyavaharika satyatvam, when you say in Vyavahara Kala, it cannot be negated. That is the bandha. We agree. In Vyavahara Kala, you cannot negate bandha. And this will be coming up in the Bhashya also. Even a Jnani, when he is doing Vyavahara, there is Adhyasa. Without Adhyasa, there cannot be Vyavahara. So, Adhyastatvam Agatam. Pashva Vishcha Visheshat. Bhagavan Bhashyakara will say that. Pashva, like a Pashu. Pashu does Vyavahara. There is Vyavahara in Manushya also. So that is what in Vyavahara Kala, all the basis for Vyavahara is this Adhyastha Bandha. Jnani knows that it is Adhyastha, whereas Ajnani does not know. That is the main difference there. But then we have to accept Bandha to be there in Vyavahara Kala. Tika आदावन्ते चेन्नास्ति वर्तमाने अपि तत्तथा इति न्यायेन. So आदौ अन्ते, this is there in Karika, Mandukya Karika, Bhagavan Gaudapadacharya says आदौ अन्ते च यन्नास्ति वर्तमाने अपि तत्तथा. So आदौ अन्ते च, in the beginning and the end, yannasti, yad nasti. This bandha, is it there in the beginning? It wasn't there. Meaning, bandha, you look at ahankaradi prapancha, ghatapatadi prapancha you take. Is it there in the beginning? No. It is put together. Although we say ahankaradi sukshma sharira is anadi, because this ajnana is anadi, ajnana karya is still said to be put together the way it was in the earlier kalpa. Thereby there is pravaha anaditvam. In each kalpa it is put together. That is why, we talk about Sukshma, Mahabhuta, Srishti. Taittiriya Upanishad talks about it. Other Upanishads also talk about it. Tasmad vaye tasmad Atmanaha. So from Brahma, that Brahma which is also Atma. Akasha Sambhuta, Akashad Vayuhu, Vayoragnihi, Agnirapahadvyah Prithvi, Prithivya Aushadeyaha, Aushadhibhyonnam Annat Purusha. So that Purusha, Annat Purusha, when you say, after all the Mahabhutas are created, Panchikaranam takes place. From the Sukshma Mahabhutas, Indriyas and Manas is Utpanna, Antakarana, which is Sukshma Sharira. Then Stula Sharira is Utpanna after Panchikarana of the Mahabhutas, and then there is an association of this Jiva into. So, Anena Jivatmana Anupravishya. Then Anupravishya Shruti also which says that the same Brahma entered this Sukshma Sharira and Stula Sharira as Jiva. Thereby, the Annat Purusha Ityadi Shrutis tell you that there is a creation of each and every Sukshma Sharira also there. It is, be it the way it was in Bija Rupa earlier, but then it is manifest into a full-fledged Sukshma Sharira, and then Sula Sharira anyway, we know in every Janma it is freshly created and is burnt away. Thereby, Adau Antecha Yannasti. What isn't there in the beginning and in the end also? If at all you have to take a long term also, you can take Kalpante. What isn't there? Vartamane, in between also, between the Adi and Anta also it is Tat Tatha. As good as not being there, because our Lakshana for Satyatvam is what? When you say Nasti means Asabhui, and Bhudhatu is what? Bhu Sattayam. So Asa is the same meaning of to be. Satta meaning. What is the Lakshana of Satyatvam? Satta. It is Trikala Abhaditattvam. So Trikala Abhadita. Whereas Adau, in the Adi Kala it isn't there. Anta Kala it isn't there. Then how can it be Satya? Therefore, Vartamani api Nasti ityartha. इति न्यायेन यूजिंग दिस न्याय व्यावहारिक सत्यत्व अध्यस्तत्वयोर न विरोध इति भाव. So when पूर्व पक्षी says व्यावहारिक सत्यत्वम is there, meaning व्यवहार काले अबाध्यत्वम, yes, वर्तमान काल अबाध्यत्वम is there, but in आदि before the वर्तमान काल and anta कल्पान्ते नास्ति. Therefore वर्तमाने अपि नास्ति. Thereby व्यावहारिक सत्यत्व अध्यस्तत्व. Whether we say it is mithya, vyavaharika satya or adhyasta, it all means the same thing. Whatever you are comfortable with, says this siddhanti, you use it. If you say vyavaharika satyatvam, we don't have any issue, because if you have difficulty with adhyastatvam, mithyatvam, hold on to this vyavaharika satyatvam, but you have to understand that that is what I mean. When I say adhyastatvam, that is exactly what I mean. Because in vyavahara kala, rajju sarpa is also satya. Do you agree that it is satya? You don't. You say adhyasta. Why? Adavante chen nasti. Sarpa is not there wasn't there before. It is not going to be the later. So was it there during that time? It wasn't there. So when sarpa is known to be rajju, not sarpa at all, then can the person who had fear due to sarpa, who ran away due to sarpa, had nivrutti, can he claim to be there, claim that sarpa was there? He cannot make a tall claim that sarpa was there, now it isn't there. He has to say what? Vartamane api, meaning when the sarpa was there, was seen to be there, that time also it wasn't there. So Trikala Nisheda takes place. Similarly, here also the Prapancha Trikala Nisheda takes place after Jnanotpatti. In Vyavahara Kala, Vartamana also it isn't there. This has to be accepted. Vyavahari Satyatvam is that. Vyavaharika Satyatvam means that Vartamana also it isn't there, but it appears to be there, and you give it as much value as it deserves, but not Satyatvam. Satyatvam should have a visheshana of Vyavaharika Satyatvam, and that is what Adhyastatvam means. Iti na virodha. So Vyavaharika Satyatva Adhyastatvayor na virodha iti bhavaha. Further, Tikakara says, Nanu virodhabhavena agate api adhyastatve. If you say Vyavaharika Satyatva and adhyastatva have no virodha, therefore agatam adhyastatvam. Vyavaharikam eva, Ratna Pravakara says, Vyavaharikam eva satyatvam iti agatam adhyastatvam. Then adhyastatvam is pravishta here now. Oh, it is adhyastha then. If you say so, Purva Pakshi says, no virodha bhavena, because Vyavaharika Sattva and Adhyastatva have no virodha, thereby agate api adhyastatve prayojana bhavat kim tadvarnanena ityaha. Let there be no virodha between Vyavaharika Satta that I am claiming it to be having, bandha having, and you saying that Adhyastatvam is there in bandha. Although there is no virodha between them, what is the prayojana? Why do you discuss this? Why do you discuss this adhyasa? What is the prayojana? Iti aha tacha. Prayojana isn't there. Prayojana bhavat kim tadvarnanena kim tasya varnanena adhyasasya varnanena ityartha. Ratnaprabha tacha shrutyarthe yogyata jnanartham varnaniyam eva yagasya apurva dvaratvavat. So your own example, what is your example? Let it be Satya Bandha and still have Jnanamatra Nivrittitvam. Why? Because of Shruti Bala. There you talked about, earlier you gave an example of what? Swarga. Swarga Prapti takes place by talking about Yogyata. You said that Swarga Prapti takes place even when Yaga has gotten over long back. Still Swarga will be there. But we had to show you that there is Apurva in between. Apurva Dwaraka Yaga is there. Yaga is Apurva Dwaraka. Apurvam Dwaram Yasya Yagasya That yaga is what? Apurva Dwaraka. So Apurva is a, in by Nayayika's terminology, what is Apurva? Apurva is something which is sitting in between. It is a vyapara. What is a vyapara? Tajjanyatve sati tajjanya janakatvam is vyapara. So Apurva is tajjanya, yagajanya. So yagajanyatve sati, yagajanyatva is there in Apurva. Yagajanyatve sati, this yaga leads to swarga also. Swarga is the phala. So by tat yaga. So tajjanyatve sati, yagajanyatve sati, tajjanakatvam, yagajanakatvam is there in what? In swarga. Now yagajanakatvam is there, but tajjanyatve sati, tajjanyatvam is there. Tajjanyatvam is there in Apurva also, and tajjanyatvam is there in swarga also. But swarga, although it is tajjanya, means yagajanya, Apurva is also yagajanya, and Apurva is dwara to swarga. Therefore, Apurva janakatvam is there in swarga. So, what is the meaning there? What is the idea? Apurva is vyapara because it is tajjanya yagajanya. Yagajanyatve sati yagajanya swarga janakatvam is there in Apurva. Therefore, Apurva is vyapara. Similarly, something has to be talked about here also. Taccha shrutyarthe yagata jnanartham. Yes, sorry, yogyata jnanartham. There is yogyata. Jnana takes place as to there is yogyata in shruti. Shrutyartha. Which shrutyartha? Jyotishtoma leads to swarga. Swarga kamo yajeta. Then jyotishtomena ityadi. So, swarga kamo yajeta. There yaga leads to swarga is known from the shruti. Now that claim that you have made is that just because shruti says shruti balat, even if the yaga is over, still after a long time it can give swarga. No, yogyata isn't there. That kind of yogyata isn't there. So yogyata jnanartham, in the shrutyartha there is yogyata to generate swarga through yaga. It gives you, it reveals, there is yogyata to reveal. You have jnana that the shruti which says that from yaga there will be swarga phala, it has, you get jnana that it has yogyata. When do you get that yogyata jnana? Only when you talk about Apurva. Otherwise, you will be questioning, how can this be? Shruti does not have yogyata to tell you that directly yaga, even if it gets over, it will generate swarga. Only Apurva dwara the shruti will be having yogyata. So that jnana of yogyata, for that jnana of yogyata in that shrutyartha, Apurva should be talked about. Similarly here, you will have to talk about yogyata. What is the yogyata? The shruti says, Nanyah pantha with tatha vidvan nama rupad vimuktaha. There should be yogyata, the yogyata jnanartham. Shrutyartha, what is the shrutyartha there? There is no other path other than jnana to take away bandha. Bandha nivritti is only by jnana. Now this jnana has taken place. What jnana? Not aikya jnana. The jnana that shruti, nanyah pantha, tatha vidvan nama rupat vimuktaha, these kind of shrutis which tell you that tattvamasi ityadi aikya jnana alone can take away bandha, there you have to accept yogyata in the shruti to reveal jnana matra nivartatvam of bandha. How will it be possible? If bandha is satya, it won't be possible. If bandha is अध्यस्ता then ज्ञान मात्र निवर्त्यत्व is possible. Therefore योग्यता ज्ञान in श्रुत्यर्थ नान्यः पंथा इत्यादि will be possible only when बंधा is अध्यस्ता. Therefore अध्यस्तत्वम और अध्यास तद्वर्णेन किम प्रयोजनम if you can't ask. This is the प्रयोजन. Shruti yogyata jnana will take place. That the Shrutyartha has yogyata jnana. What kind of yogyata jnana? You will have jnana of that yogyata. Which yogyata? The yogyata that jnanartha nivritti, jnana matra nivartyatvam of bandha is revealed by the Shruti. Jnana matra nivartyatvam of bandha is revealed by the Shruti. That kind of yogyata is there in Shrutyartha. It will be possible only when bandha is considered and analyzed to be adhyastha, not when it is satya. टीका यदि बंधस्य अध्यस्तत्वम् अंगीक्रियते तथा एव ज्ञानमात्रजन्य बोध निवृत्ति रूपश्रुत्यर्थे. So in the ज्ञानमात्र जन्य बंध, so तथा एव ज्ञानमात्र जन्य बंध निवृत्ति रूप. So bandha has to be ajnana janya, only then it will be adhyastha, and that is said by mayam tu prakritim vidyar ityadi. Now jnanamatra janya bandha nivritti rupa shruti artha. So what is the shrutyartha? Bandha nivritti will take place. The shrutyartha is of the form of bandha nivritti will take place by jnanamatra. So bandha nivritti is janya. केन जन्य? बंध निवृत्ति ज्ञान मात्रेण जन्य. इति is रूप. So तद्रूप श्रुत्यर्थे यदि बंध सत्य स्यात्. This tarka will be used now. यदि बंध सत्य स्यात् ज्ञान मात्रात् निवर्तितुम अयोग्य स्यात्. This is the tarka. यदि बंध सत्य स्यात् तर्हि ज्ञानमात्रात् निवर्तितुम् अयोग्य स्यात्. So यत्र यत्र ज्ञानमात्रात् निवर्तितुम् अयोग्यत्वम् is possible if you say that bandha is satya. What does it mean? यत्र यत्र ज्ञानमात्रात् निवर्तितुम् योग्यत्वम् तत्र तत्र बन्धस्य सत्यत्वं नास्ति, सत्यत्वाभावः. Meaning adhyasthatvam. So yatra yatra jnanamatrat nivartitum yogyatvam tatra tatra bandha satyatva bhavaha, meaning tatra tatra bandhasya adhyasthatvam, bandhadhyasthatvam. Therefore yadi bandha satya syat tarhi jnanamatrat nivartitum ayogya syat. Had bandha been real, then it wouldn't go by jnanamatra. Whereas Shruti says jnanamatra will give nivritti of bandha. So there is Shruti virodha. Iti etadrisha tarkadina badaha nasti. Iti artha badat iti ityartha abadat atmaka yogyata nischaya sampadhyate. So you have nischaya in this yogyata. Now in the shrutyartha ataha tannischayartham adhyaso varnaniya iti na tadvarnanam vyartham iti bhavaha. Adhyasa, using this tarka as to bandha, had it been satya, then it wouldn't go by jnanamatra, whereas Shruti says it will go by jnanamatra. Therefore adhyastatvam vaktavyam. Therefore adhyastatva निर्णय चिंता न व्यर्थ. सो न व्यर्थम तद्वर्णनम अध्यास वर्णनम न अध्यस्तत्व वर्णनम न व्यर्थम इति भावः. अध्यस्तत्वस्य व्यापारत्व रूप द्वारत्वा संभवात्. द्वारत्वं विहाय अंगीकारांशः एव अत्र दृष्टान्तम् आह. Now Purvapakshi says you claim that like Apurva, for the yaga has to be brought in as a vyapara. We just said that apurva has to be brought in to explain this yogyata in the shruti. For the yogyata jnana of the shrutyartha, which says that yaga will lead to swarga. Yaga has gotten over, swarga is not immediately resultant. Something should continue as karana. There should be karana for swarga in the preceding moment of swarga as phala. Whereas yaga is said to be the karana for swarga by the shruti. So how will this yogyata nishchaya take place in the shrutyartha? Only when apurva is talked about. So this is all we have said. Now Purvapakshi says this apurva is a vyapara, which is yagajanya and leads to yagajanya swarga janakatvam in this middleman called as apurva. Now you show me where is vyaparatvam in what you are establishing in the Darshtantika. What is that? Adhyastatvasya vyaparatva rupa dwaratva asambhavat. Adhyastatva is not, adhyasa is not is a dwara you claim, but adhyasa is not a vyapara kind of a dwara. So vyaparatva rupa dwaratvam nasti adhyastatvasya. We say okay, it isn't there. But just because we brought in apurva does not mean that every factor of apurva will apply to the Darshtatika adhyastatvam also. Adhyastatvam should be talked about for yogyata, meaning you have to accept adhyastatvam, just like you have to accept apurvatvam. Whether apurva is a vyapara is not our example at all. Apurva is a vyapara, alright, we accept it, but that is not the example. If everything in the example is to be inquired into and then you say that all this should be there in the exemplified also, then it won't be an example. They will be synonyms, they will be the same. So what is a drishtanta? Elsewhere Bhagavan Bhashyakara says, when one part of something is shown to prove a particular thing in the other, that similarity of one part, use of that similarity will make it a drishtanta. Not every part. If every part is same, then there won't be similarity. It does not be a drishtanta, it will be the same thing. So what is our vivaksha? You hold on to that. We are saying that just like apurva angikara is needed for yogyata jnana in the shrutyartha, in the case of yagajanya sargatvam, similarly jnana nivartya bandha for that kind of a yogyata jnana in the shrutyartha, which says that nanyah panta ityadi, you have to have angikara of adhyastatvam. That's all we are saying. So that is explained in the Tika. Apurvam dwaram yasya sa apurva dwaraha yagaha. So yagaha is apurva dwaraha, pullinga. So apurvam dwaram yasya bahuri. So apurva dwaraha is yaga. Yaga has apurva as its dwara. So yaga will generate apurva, apurva will generate swarga, and then you say that yaga has generated swarga. Okay, this has to be accepted. Tasya bhavaha tattvam. Tasya bhava is apurva dwaratvam. Apurva rupa dwaram tadvad ityartaha. Similar to that apurva dwara being accepted, you have to accept this also as here. So angikara ansha eva dwaratvam vihaya, you that the vyapara rupa dwara, that is not the example. We want to compare only acceptance of something for the yogyata nishchaya in the shrutyartha. Thereby tadvat, that is tadvat. Angikara is tadvat. Yatha jyotishtomadi shrutyartha yah yagaha tasya yagasya swarga hetutva rupaha, or rather yatha jyotishtomadi shrutyartha yah yagasya swarga hetutva rupaha. So what is this swarga hetutva rupa? That is the yagasya hetutva rupa, swarga hetutva rupa is there in yaga. So that yaga jyotishtomadi shrutyartha, that yaga has swarga hetutva, that kind of artha is known by the shruti of jyotishtomadi shruti. tad yogyata jnanaya, for the yogyata, that the Shruti is revealing that Jyotishtoma Yaga will lead to Swarga. Is it revealing that? For that Nishchaya, for that Yogyata to be there in the Shruti, Yogyata Jnana, for us to get Yogyata being there in the Shruti, Jnana of the Yogyata being there in the Shruti, Tad Yogyata Jnanaya Apurva Mangikritam. Apurva is accepted by everyone. Purva Mimamsakas have spent a long time explaining this. We accept it as well. Tatha adhyastatvam angikaraniyam iti bhava. Similarly, here adhyastatva has to be accepted. That is all the comparative there. Nacha ityadi grantha tu atirohitartha. You cannot discount this nacha ityadi. So there is a nacha following there. Nacha in the Ratnaprabha nacha tadanyatwadikarane. So we'll look at this in the next part. Tasya varnanat paunaruktyam. So the Purva Pakshi talks about paunarukti of adhyasa. Why are you talking about adhyasa here in the first sutra? The bhashya, adhyasa bhashya is considered as a sangati to the first sutra, and we have seen the meaning of this first sutra complete. That atha, ataha, athato brahma jijnasa. So ataha tells you something, atha tells you something. So ataha, since there is availability of sadhana chatushtaya, there is an adhikari, there is prayojana, ataha, therefore what should you do? After sadhana chatushtaya prapti, ataha brahma jijnasa kartavya. Brahma jijnasa, and there we analyzed a lot as to what is that, the meaning of the first sutra. Adhyasa should be talked about. Jnanena nivritti, all that, and therefore adhyasa. So adhyasa is related, adhyasa bhashya is related to the first sutra. So if first sutra is talking about adhyasa and nivritti by jnana, and therefore brahma jijnasa kartavya, kaihi vedanta vakyaihi eva kartavya, vichara eva kartavya, vedanta vakyair eva kartavya. That much we have seen. Now Purva Pakshi says that later in the Brahma Sutra you have something which will talk about adhyasa. Tadananyatva adhikarane. So there is in second chapter, first pada, 15 sutra, this adhyasa is going to be talked about. There will be punarukti there, paunaruktyam. So paunaruktyam meaning punarukti will be there. So this, the counter to this, we'll look at in the next part. Yamiha karunikam sharanam gatoapyari sahodaraapamahatpadam tadamaashu harim paramashre janakajankamananta sukhakrutim. That's it. Namaste. I'll see you in the next part.